Imagine a dish bubbling with flavors, a symphony of textures, a blend of diverse ingredients coming together to create a culinary masterpiece. This is Egyptian Fattah, a star of the Egyptian cuisine. Envision layers of bread, rice, and meat, drizzled with a tangy tomato and garlic sauce, and topped off with creamy yogurt. This dish is a delightful tapestry of tastes, every bite a testament to the richness of Egyptian culinary tradition. Sounds delicious, right? Now let's dive into the process of creating this Egyptian delight. To bring this dish to life, gather these ingredients: half a kilogram of lamb or ground meat, 2 cups of rice, 4 pieces of Egyptian bread also known as fattah, 4 cups of broth or water, 3 cloves of mashed garlic, 2 cups of yogurt, half a cup of tomato sauce, and butter for frying. You'll also need salt and pepper to taste, as well as some finely chopped parsley for garnish. These ingredients form the backbone of this hearty Egyptian dish, each adding its own unique flavor and texture. Once you've assembled everything, you're ready to embark on the culinary journey that is Egyptian Fattah. With everything ready, it's time to start the cooking process. First off, the meat. It forms the heart of the dish, providing a rich, savory base. Start by choosing either lamb or ground meat. Around 500 grams should suffice. Now let's get that meat sizzling in a pan with a bit of butter. Keep stirring until the color changes, indicating it's well cooked. Now, it's time to introduce some moisture back into the meat. Pour in around 4 cups of broth or water, your choice. This will help the meat to further cook and become tender. You'll want to let it simmer over a medium heat. This isn't a rushed process. Take your time. You're looking at around 30 to 45 minutes here, but trust me, it'll be worth the wait. Feel free to season with some salt and pepper to taste. As the meat simmers to perfection, it's soaking up all that wonderful flavor. While the meat simmers to perfection, let's move on to the next step. While the meat is getting ready, it's time to prepare the rice and the yogurt sauce. Let's start with the rice. Bring a pot of water to a boil, adding a pinch of salt for flavor. Once it's boiling, add in the rice. You might want to add a little butter too, for an extra layer of flavor. Allow the rice to cook until it's perfectly tender. In the meantime, let's whip up the yogurt sauce. In a small bowl, combine yogurt and mashed garlic. This is where you can really personalize your dish. Add salt and pepper to taste, but remember, the flavors should complement each other, not overpower. Stir until everything is well mixed. And just like that, you've got perfectly cooked rice and a tangy yogurt sauce. This might seem like a simple step, but trust me, it brings the whole dish together. Now we have our rice and yogurt sauce ready. It's time to assemble the dish. Now comes the fun part, assembling the dish. Start by taking your Egyptian bread, breaking it into small pieces, and arranging them neatly in a deep oven tray. Once your bread base is ready, it's time to add some flavor. Pour the tomato sauce all over the bread pieces. This will give our fattah a tangy kick and ensure the bread soaks up all that delicious goodness. Next, we move on to the rice. Layer your perfectly cooked rice over the bread pieces. See how it's starting to come together? But we're not done yet. Now take your tender, juicy meat and layer it on top of the rice. The layers of bread, rice, and meat give the fattah its unique, hearty structure. Now let's finish this off with our creamy yogurt and garlic sauce. Pour it generously over the meat. It will seep down, combining with the other ingredients to create a medley of flavors that is truly mouth-watering. With all the layers in place, it's time to bake. Slide the tray into a medium-heat oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will allow the layers to melt together and the flavors to distribute evenly throughout the dish. As our fattah bakes, the aroma that fills your kitchen is a preview of the feast to come. The combination of the tender meat, the creamy yogurt sauce, and the tangy tomato-soaked bread is simply irresistible. And voila! After a short wait, pull your tray from the oven. Sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley over the top for a pop of color and an extra layer of flavor. There you have it, your very own Egyptian fattah, a flavorful dish that will transport you straight to the heart of Egypt. So, to recap, we started with browning the lamb or minced meat, then simmered it until tender. We cooked the rice to perfection and prepared a tangy yogurt and garlic sauce. The Egyptian bread was cut into small pieces, layered with tomato sauce, rice, and the cooked meat. The yogurt sauce was poured over, and then everything was baked until all the flavors melded together. Finally, a sprinkling of chopped parsley for garnish. Serve your Egyptian fattah as a main course for lunch or dinner. Enjoy this delicious recipe and savor every bite. Happy cooking!